Welcome to my channel. Virgin Wi-Fi not reaching every room? Easy mesh setup tutorial. 1. Choose the right spot for your main router. Place your Virgin router in the center of your home, not inside a cabinet or behind the TV. 2. Plug in the mesh Wi-Fi device. Connect your Virgin Mesh Pod or mesh extender near the main router for the first setup. 3. Download the Virgin Connect app. Install the official Virgin Media Connect app on your phone to manage the setup easily. 4. Turn on Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your mobile so the app can detect the mesh device quickly. 5. Follow the app setup instructions. Open the app and tap Add Pod or Setup Mesh Device. The app will connect automatically. 6. Wait for the light to turn solid. The mesh pod light may blink during setup. Wait until it becomes solid white or stable. 7. Move the mesh pod to weak signal areas. After setup, place the mesh pod halfway between the router and the room with weak Wi-Fi. 8. Avoid thick walls, metal objects. Keep mesh devices away from microwaves, metal shelves, and thick concrete walls for better speed. 9. Test Wi-Fi in every room. Walk around your home and check internet speed in bedrooms, kitchen, and upstairs areas. 10. Add more mesh pods if needed. For large homes, adding extra Virgin mesh pods can remove dead zones completely. Thank you for watching.